Monday, November 24th, 2019. And today we are using the Instapot to make freezer chili. And that just means that I'm making chili with whatever I've got in the freezer. So we have green peppers, whatever that meat is. Looks like some onions, some more random meat, some tomato and pepper leftovers, some chili stuff. It appears to be onions, and a pepper, some more peppers. I don't think I'm going to use that. I think I'm going to throw that away. And we're also going to grab some random sausage meats, some chicken meats. Whoa, those are potatoes. I'm going to not use those. And I think in the back I've got some various chicken flavored juices. So that I think is like chicken juice. And then this is also some kind of other juice. All right, let's see what this is gonna make. Let's put it all in the pot. All right, the big chunks are in. I'm gonna put them on a slow cook so that they can start melting. Got the peppers and the random stuff in there. I'm gonna slice up the other peppers. Got them sliced up. Now I can toss those in. Nuke the random meats for about 30 seconds. Yes. This must be some farm of steak. Steak meat. Low-grade frozen steak meat. Freeze-dried. Into the pot we go. Delicious freeze-dried beefs. Well, we think it's beef. It might be. But no one can really tell. We'd have to ask past Jaren what he made for dinner and why he decided to buy so much of it that he had to freeze it. Into the pot. The freezer chili pot. Blum, blum, blum. I was going to do the same thing with the chicken, but it just doesn't look that appetizing. So I'm going to do something different with the chicken. And we're going to cover this up. And we're going to switch it over to stew. That sounds good. And do your thing. Wait, this is a chili. Wait, it's not chili without beans. It's a stew. All right, we'll see you in 35 minutes. Minutes. Meanwhile, also while we wait, the cookies are setting up. Let's put the chickens in the oven. Oh, I didn't plan this ahead very well. At a low heat. Now the oven after about 30 minutes. I told you I had other plans. What we're going to do is do 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot, all the blue cheese, all the Philadelphia, a little bit of queso. Someone's in the kitchen with Jaren. Someone in the kitchen I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Jaren. Strumming the old banjo. Generic crumbled blue cheese. Packaging. Does this actually contain blue cheese? Oh, I guess it does. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit on top of that when I'm done. You just gotta mash it together. Get it all squishulated until it all turns the same color. That pink color. Like pink slime. That's what they make hot dogs out of. Oh my, I almost forgot the freezer garlic. I mean, after all, this is freezer food day. You know, every November, you've got to clean out the freezer. And what better way on a rainy day, you know, when the It's raining cats and dogs. Just gross outside. I mean, so gross. So, you know, November, cold, gotta have your garlic from the freezer. Llama ding dong, look at all that pink slime. I'm just gonna add a few spices just to bring it up a notch. Because, you know, I like things a little spicy. Also, well, I like things really spicy, but just a tad bit of this. Just a little bit, maybe just in the middle section. Just to bring it up 3 notches, because it's the XXX hot. Dash black pepper. And then a little bit more of the queso cheese, just if you please. And then a little bit of mild cheddar, just for a little bit of crispy crusp in the middle. All right. Put this into the oven at 350. And then I'm also going to cover it for a little while. I think I'm going to put it in, heat it up for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to finish it at a little higher temperature. And maybe we'll just do 20 minutes. Let's check on our chili. Chili's been in for half an hour past. It's calmed down. Ooh, yeah. See that beautiful bean footage. I gotta say, it smells really spicy. But it looks like a nice, delicious chili. There we are. Freezer chili. Piping hot out of the Instapot. Actual Instapot brand, not one of the knockoffs. I paid extra for that hashtag. Something or other. I'm gonna give it a try. Come on! Yes. 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 So on a gas stove, the drawer where you usually keep all your pans is actually where you're supposed to put your broiling things. So I'm going to put this in for a few minutes, and it's on top of another pan so that it gets up just a little higher inside where all the fire is. Oh yes, just a few more minutes. Oh yes. You have no idea how heavenly this smells. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh yeah, this is the wrong tool for this. But that's okay. It's gonna be delicious, despite looking a little chunky. Oh my bahunkas. Delish. The chili was delicious. Now for the second course. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. A+. Delish. Hashtag tasty. Now we've got to make a delicious snack. So I'm just gonna chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it, chop. Can I actually do that? Chop. There we go. Extra chocolate on top of, oh, I lost one. On top of the cookies. You need to have an adequate amount of chocolate in order to fully appreciate the gluten-free. And the reason why I'm going gluten-free is not some trendy, uber healthy thing. It just doesn't agree with me. And frankly, I get a little depressed from gluten. That sounds weird, but like, it bothers me. And my life is better without gluten, but not without cookies. So I am gonna give this a try. This is actually my second batch of gluten-free. I've been avoiding bagels, pizza, beer, and it's, you know, it's unfortunate because I love all those things. But, like, I get to enjoy a full weekend instead of just kind of being like a lump, you know? And that's kind of a good thing. Zaps your creativity. So, I'm changing something about me so I can make me better. There's your little dose of reality. All right, we're making the gluten-free cookies. Oh, I should make this one into a smiley face, because that's like me. Duh. Bake until golden brown. Let's see. I think I'm going to try the 14 minutes and then see what happens. Come on, arcane technology. Bling! Delicious cookies. Oh yeah. Delicious snack time. Well, in about 5 minutes. And that concludes my freezer chili buffalo chicken dip gluten-free cookie time. All right, go make yourself something delicious. Subscribe.